So, hi everyone, welcome again to Grandison Espresso Lounge. This is your virtual coffee table, a place where we catch up our PTs, OTs, nurses, and of course, our partners. My name is Daryl, Marketing Associate at Grandison, and your host for this afternoon. Let's start by saying a quick hello to our live viewers here at Zoom and Facebook Live. Please don't forget to like and share this live session with your family, friends, and batchmates who aspire to work and live in the United States. Before we introduce our topic this afternoon, let's have a quick recap of the previous Presso Lounge. Last week topic, why Grandison pa rin sa 2025 Part 2, USA versus Australia and versus Middle East. Kaya naman, we discuss which country is the best for aspiring PTs who would like to work and live in. And if you're curious and want to watch those testimonials, you can see it on this Facebook page. And today, no, in response to the popular demand of the PT community, on what's next after passing their local boards and dreaming to work and live in the United States, whether you as licensed physical therapist or physical therapy assistant. So now, join us why Grandison pa rin sa 2025 Part 3. Let's talk about NPTE. FAQs for Filipino Physical Therapists. Sabay-sabay nating alamin what is NPTE and what is the connection of NPTE for pursuing being a physical therapist in the United States. And to welcome our special guest at para naman samahan tayong alamin what is NPTE, let's all welcome from our review center, partner review center, GH Premier, home of the champion, and PTE department head, Sir Vincent Samera.
Hello, good afternoon po. So I'm Sir Vincent. I'm the NPTA Department Head of GH Premier Review Center. So hello po sa ating viewers.
Alright, mamaya masasamahan tayo ni Sir Vincent at sasagutin yung mga katanungan regarding NPTE. So thank you, Sir Vincent. Now, syempre hindi lang tayo nandito sa live sir, no? Syempre may kasama rin tayo from Grandison Recruitment Department, Supervisor, Ma'am Sara Unayan.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. Hindi lang ako makapag-open ng camera, meron akong nag-error lang. But good afternoon everyone to our Zoom participants and to our live viewers.
Alright, later si Ma'am Sara Unayan po ang magdi-discuss about Grandison Therapy offer. Okay?
Yes.
See you later, Ma'am Sara, no?
Yes.
Now that we're all set, I like to remind our live viewers here that you can ask your questions and share your thoughts in the Facebook comment section. And don't forget to fill out the Google form na nakapin sa Facebook comment section. So yeah, to know more about why Grandison pa rin this 2025, let's talk and PTE FAQs for the Filipino physical therapists. Wala nang patumpik-tupik pa. Hi, Sir Vincent again.
Hello po.
Para sa kaalaman ng ating mga live viewers, no, si Sir Vincent po is NPTE passer.
Yes po. Yes.
So yeah, I believe our aspiring PTs ay sabik ng maraming malaman. So the first question is, Sir Vincent, no, what is the NPTE?
Right. So NPTE stands for National Physical Therapy Examination. So it's a licensure examination for those individuals or for those physical therapists who wants to practice their profession as a physical therapist in the US. So kailangan nila ipasa itong licensure examination na to if gusto nila mag-work sa US. And basically itong exam na to, it's an entry-level exam kasi. So it will usually assess your knowledge of how would you treat this patient? Ano yung diagnosis mo for this patient? Ano yung i-assess mo sa patient na to? So basically, yun po ang ating NPT exam.
Okay. Sir, yung NPT ba for United States lang?
Yes,
Tama
sir.
ba?
For US lang po siya.
All right. So why is taking NPTE an advantage, especially for those who like to work to pursue USA?
Well, kasi requirement naman siya talaga, okay? If you want to work in US. But somehow, if you're studying for NPTE, you will get a glimpse or an overview paano ba yung approach ng US pag sa pag-treat ng ganitong type of, sabi natin, sa ganitong condition. Kasi iba't ibang countries, iba-iba yung kanilang treatment, okay, for this specific na disease. Like, nung nag-work ako po sa Saudi, okay, iba yung approach nila for this condition. Nung nag-volunteer ako sa Pilipinas, iba yung approach or yung treatment nila for this specific na condition. So, ganun din po for US. So, when you're reviewing for NPTE po, makakakuha ka ng idea, okay, ganito pala ang approach ng US or ganito pala yung treatments na pinaprovide nila for this patient.
So basically, sir, no, first step to ng pagiging physical therapy sa United States.
Yes.
So, can you apply for a physical therapy license in the United States without passing the NPTE?
No, I think talagang kung gusto mo mag-work as PT doon, okay, talagang kailangan mong i-take itong NPT exam. And I think it's parang universal naman na law siya na, kunyari, dito sa Pilipinas, you need to pass the PRC license, okay? Same goes for US. You need to pass the NPTE to get a license pa.
All right. Does passing the NPTE improve your chances or their chances, no, for securing employment in the United States as a physical therapist, sir?
I think it would be, I think passing the NPTE would be an edge for you, okay? So, parang, kasi yung NPTE process po kasi, napaka-tedious na po ng process na to eh, yung journey na to. So, yung pag-process ng credentials, yung pag-review mo for the exam, pag-secure ng visa para makapag-take ng exam, okay? And then, pagpasa din sa exam, diba? So, magasto siya. So, once na ipasa mo na siya, parang edge mo na siya, kasi tapos ka na sa part na yon. So, I think, after passing exam, yes, okay? I think may chance na, mataas yung chance para makasecure ka ng job in the US din naman.
Sir, na-mention mo, no, magasto. Sa tingin mo, sir, magkano ba talaga yung total na expenses pag-take ng NPTE?
Okay. So, kung i-estimate ko siya, lahat kasi ako po yung nag-process ng papers way back 2019 pa yon, and I think baka may changes na sila sa fees. Baka may konting changes lang naman sa fees. Siguro if in dollars po yon, maybe including the tickets and then yung hotels, siguro mga $5,000 or $6,000 ang nagastos ko.
So, mahal din talaga, sir,
mahal
no?
Talaga.
Mahal ang
siya.
pag-take ng NPTE.
Mahal siya. Ticket kasi airfare, yung credentials mo, pag nagkaroon ka pa ng deficient subjects, you need to take the subjects pa. So, magastos.
Marami pang iti-take. Like na-mention mo, sir, no, may deficiency subject pa. So, may screening pa pala ng papers na nangyayari before ka mag-take ng NPTE.
Yes,
so, how does completing the NPTE affect your confidence when practicing in a competitive healthcare environment in the United States, sir?
Well, siguro kasi, when you completed NPT, parang sabi ko na rin kanina, 'di ba, may idea ka na kung paano ba yung approach nila, paano ba yung magiging treatment nila for this specific condition. So, somehow, pag napasa mo na yung NPT, it will boost your confidence. Although, syempre, ako wala pa sa US, so malalaman ko yan nandoon. Pero, completing the NPT exam, okay, is already a big achievement. Okay?
So, what are the long-term benefits of meeting the NPTE requirements early in your journey to become a US physical therapist, sir?
Okay. So, I think kasi ang pinaka-challenging po diyan, especially nowadays, yung credentialing na part. Kasi kung hindi ka pa mag-start, katulad po, if I may share, kasi ako, I graduated 2011. So, I started my NPTE journey noong 2019 lang. So, that was parang 8 years in difference. So, I was really skeptical or not confident sa credentials ko if it will meet their standards ba or if equivalent ba yung credentials ko dun sa standards nila. Kasi 8 years na yung dumaan eh. So, doon sa credentialing na yon, kung hindi pa ako pumasa naman. Okay naman yung credentials ko. But now, kung hindi mo pa i-start yan, then madaming, kasi magkakaroon ng changes na sa kanilang criteria, sa kanilang standards po. So, mas maganda kung kayo po ay nagpa-plan mag-take ng MPT, you can start as early as now bago pa magkaroon ng madaming changes pa po.
Alright. So, again, no, si Sir Vincent po is NPTE passer, no? So, what's the secret ba, sir? Or what do you think is the key in passing the NPTE exam?
Secret. Actually, there's no secret at all. Pero I would say that the NPT is not a walk in the park, but it would be a breeze
Mm-mm.
po kung kayo ay mag-prepare talaga for this exam. Okay, if you studied enough, if you work hard enough, okay, if you reviewed enough for this exam, maipapasa mo siya. So, I would say na kung sasabihin nating secret, there's no secret at all. Pero ano yung kailangan yung i-strengthen, okay, if you're going to take this exam? Una, kailangan yung, for the PT viewers po, kailangan yung i-strengthen ang inyong foundation. Okay? Yung mga basic concepts, yung anatomy, physiology, and kinesiology nyo. Pag na-strengthen nyo na po yun, yung tatlo na yon, then you can accurately assess or evaluate your patient. And from your findings sa evaluation mo, you can diagnose kung ano ba yung condition ng patient mo. Pag nakapag-diagnose ka, you can formulate a plan of care for your patient. So, ganun lang naman eh. Ganun din yung naaral natin during college years. Yun din yung i-apply natin during the exam. So, kailangan nyo po i-strengthen talaga yung
Mm-mm.
yung mga subjects po nila.
So yung ano, yung perspective ni sir, ano ba yung secret mo, sir?
For me kasi, sir, I don't know kung factor yung pagiging OC, obsessive compulsive.
Oo.
Pero kasi ako, naging OC ako during my review. And I think it was really challenging kasi then, naabutan ako ng pandemic. So, there was no, I'm demotivated talaga during those pandemic years pa. Pero, hindi pa rin dapat yun yung maghihinder sa'yo, okay, na hindi i-pursue itong exam na to. So, I think yung ginawa ko talaga noon is since ako ay graduate 2011 pa and then nag-work ako, nakalimutan ko na yung concepts. So,
Mm-mm.
what I had to do or what I did was binalikan ko, okay, yung mga books. Binasa ko yung textbooks but not cover to cover, not page to page naman na babasahin mo talaga siya. Ang aaralin ko lang kung ano yung mga sensitive na topics, okay, for this exam. Inaral ko kung ano yung basics kasi ang NPT po talaga is an entry-level exam. So, itetest ka sa knowledge mo on those mga concepts or principles, okay, na mga, or paano mo i-apply yung mga concepts na yon into those questions, okay? So, talagang kailangan aralin mo yung mga concepts. It's not pure memorization po. I-analyze mo talaga yung mga concepts na to and principles, okay? So, kung may i-memorize man, yun lang yung mga numbers, which is I think hindi ko gusto yung part na yon, ano yung mga parameters, ganun. Pero other than that, dapat alam mo yung concepts na nag-a-apply sa mga questions na to.
So, sa mga aspiring PTs natin dyan, no, malay nyo, gumana rin yung technique ni Sir Vincent para sa inyo
Sana
for
nga.
taking NPT exam. So, what advice would you like to give to aspiring Filipino PTs who dream working in other countries like USA, sir?
Well, if you really have a dream to work in other countries, well, never give up on that dream po. Okay? Kasi
Mm-mm.
I think naman, don't let your personal factors hinder you. Like, kung ako, iniisip ko noon kasi if mag-US pa ba ako, kasi 2011, tapos 2019 na pa lang ako mag-start. Feeling ko hindi ko kakayanin tong exam, okay? Or feeling ko hindi ko kakayanin mag-work doon. But still, once na napasa mo na tong NPTE, okay, itong exam, okay, I think, yun, magtutuloy-tuloy na. Mas magiging motivated ka na. So
Mm-mm.
talaga itong NPT is the first step una. Okay? First step, o ito yung kailangan talaga, yung requirement to work as a PT in US. So, never give up on your dream, guys. Hindi factor po kung sabihin natin matagal ka nang graduate. Ako, matagal akong graduate. Nakalimutan ko na yung concepts, pero still, okay, kailangan nyo ng consistent na review and kailangan nyo ng study plan para maipasa po talaga yung exam. Okay?
Alright. So, I think ayan lang muna yung mga katanungan namin
Okay
na
pa.
ibibigay sa iyo, Sir Vincent. No? So, for those aspiring PTs natin dyan na nanonood, may mga katanungan pa, please put on the Facebook comment chat box. And then, thank you, Sir Vincent, no, for answering those questions pa lang regarding
Thank you
about
so much.
NPTE. I believe some questions ay parang ayun yung mga bumabagabag or
Mm,
idea ng mga PTs natin ngayon na
mm.
pupunta ng United States. So, those questions ay nabigyan na natin kasagutan. So, I believe sabik na din yung mga aspiring PTs natin, sir, na malaman who is GH Premier. So, Sir Vincent,
Okay.
go. Bigyan natin kasagutan ng ating mga aspiring PTs.
Right. So, ayan. So, kita na nasa screen now. Oh, okay. So, for a Grandison Scholar, actually, itong i-represent ko. Okay? So, be a Grandison Scholar and review with GH review with GH Premier. So ano ba yung mga review programs natin for a Grandison Scholar? But this would be also applicable din naman, okay? Tawag dito, if you're an incoming na Grandison or kung paying students po kayo, okay, pwede naman mag-apply sa inyo itong mga i-discuss ko. Now, for a Grandison Scholar, okay, when they're reviewing at the GH Premier, meron silang endorsement policy po na kailangan i-undergo. Okay? So, yung endorsement policy mamaya, madi-discuss ko po yun. Now, let me present to you muna yung mga passers natin noong October 2024. So, this is yung last year po, okay? And then, actually, I think next week, meron po ulit exam, January 28, 29 for NPTE. So, ito po yung recent passers natin, okay? Ito yung last year. So, we got a 91% na passing rate. And then, this is nung July 2024, okay? And then these are our passers. Actually, last year po to, okay? Yung January and April 2024 na NPT exams, and we got a 91% na passing rate. For year 2023, okay, these are our passers po, April, July, and October 2023. Now, what is endorsement policy? Endorsement policy is ito yung policies na kailangan i-comply ng isang Grandison Scholar in order for them to get endorsed to take the NPTE. So once they're endorsed po kasi, Grandison will finance their NPTE journey po or NPTE trip, right? So ano po yung ating mga policies na yan? So at GH Premier Review Center, we have stages for our po, okay, for our MPT review for our Grandison Scholars, and we have 3 po, all right? So the first program po, review program, will be the bootcamp review program. The second stage will be the comprehensive review program, and the last stage would be the intensive review program. For the bootcamp review program, it's a 3-week review program po siya. 3 weeks, okay? So, diyan po, di-discuss po yung mga important na concepts lang, yung mga significant na principles lang po na for the exam, okay? And then merong 1 day na bootcamp exam din po dyan, okay? Once na ipasa po ng isang Grandison Scholar yung bootcamp review program, maproproceed na po siya sa comprehensive review. Now, for the comprehensive review program po, it's a 3-month review program po siya. 3 months, okay? It's pure lectures po yan. I-discuss po lahat from musculo, neuro, cardio, systems, other systems, non-systems, research, electrotherapy, lahat po i-discuss sa comprehensive program, yung mga theories and concepts po. Okay? But during comprehensive review program, may 3 exams na kailangan pong ipasa ang isang Grandison Scholar. We have 2 post-test and major exam. Once napasa po lahat yon, okay, ng ating Grandison Scholar, makiklear na po siya sa comprehensive review. He'll now proceed to the next review phase po, which would be the intensive review program. Now, for the intensive review program, it's 2.5-month review program po siya. Okay, 2.5-month na review program. Now, kung makita nyo sa name, intensive. Intense. Bakit po? Everyday kasi, pagdating ng intensive review, everyday may exam na kailangan i-take po ang isang Grandison Scholar. May pre-test or pre-quiz po na magiging na scored, okay, or graded, and maging recorded din po yun. Okay? So, during the intensive review, kailangan po ipasa ng Grandison Scholar ang lahat ng exam sa intensive. Okay? So, once na ipasa po ng student, okay, o ng scholar po, yung mga exams sa intensive review program, then, pwede na po namin i-endorse sila sa Grandison. So, si Grandison po yung mag-finance po ng kanilang NPT trip po. Alright? So, frequently asked na questions po. Will my NPT review be sponsored? Okay, yes. Okay, Grandison offers a full sponsorship program. So, from the moment you sign up, from your bootcamp review until your intensive review, sponsored po yan ni Grandison. Until ma-endorse kayo to take the exam, hanggang na doon na kayo, okay, sa test center, lahat po yon, airfare, hotel, will be sponsored by Grandison po. Okay? What's next after I pass my NPTE? Of course, after passing NPTE, naipasa mo na, may license ka na. Credentialing review, okay? Kailangan ng credentialing review for your deployment. So, ifa-file na po kayo or ng visa po, okay? After passing the NPTE. So, visa petition na. Then, when is the ideal time to start the process? You will be guided by by the Grandison coordinators naman. Okay? With the entire process po. So, hindi kayo malolost. Okay? So, from the moment you start, okay, reviewing for the NPTE po, okay? Yung mga credentialing reviews po, i-assist naman kayo ng ating Grandison coordinators kasi I know how technical or paminsan nakakalito. Ano ba yung next step? Okay? Usually dun nalolost yung ating mga PTs. Okay? So don't worry. You will be guided naman po talaga by the Grandison handlers po when it comes to your credentialing review. Okay? Sa processing po. So, benefits of endorsement policy. So, ano ba yung benefits of being a Grandison Scholar during the review program? One step at a time review timeline. So, diba kanina, sabi ko nga, may bootcamp review tayo. Okay? At least, pag pumasok kayo ng bootcamp review, may introduce na kayo. Okay? Kung paano ba yung magiging flow ng review programs. Okay? Ng review programs at GH. Okay? So, magkakaroon kayo ng idea, okay, ganito pala ang exam dito sa review center. Ganito pala ang flow ng lectures sa review center na to. So, sa bootcamp review pa lang, may introduce na yun sa inyo. Now, pagdating ng comprehensive review, i-introduce sa inyo yung mga concepts, okay? Ano ba yung mga important o significant na concepts na kailangan yung aralin? Kasi itong concepts na to, as I said a while ago, ito yung magma-matter during exam. Kasi it's not pure memorization, but, application of those concepts into those questions, integration of those principles into those questions. Yun yung mahalaga during NPTE. Next, after ng comprehensive review, diba? Intensive review. So doon, application na yon nung natutunan nila sa comprehensive na part. Okay? So, hindi namin kayo bibiglain na i-intensive, guys. Okay? Pag Grandison Scholar kayo, dadaan kayo, okay, sa process na to. So, bootcamp, comprehensive, then intensive. So, one step at a time, review timeline. Okay? Para hindi kayo mabigla. Next, ano pa yung benefits? Review cost, okay? So, sabi ko nga kanina, magastos, okay? I can't remember. Sabi ko kanina, 5,000 to 6,000 yung nagastos ko. Those includes yung mga review, yung mga review ko nung 2019 to 2022 kasi may pandemic na tayo nun. So, magastos po, okay? Then, magpapaprint ka pa, okay? Bibili ka ng ganitong reviewer, ganitong practice, bibili ka ng practice exam books, okay? So, magastos po talaga siya. Okay? Hindi po talaga biro yung gastos pagdating sa NPTE. But once you're a Grandison Scholar, kasi covered po yun ni Grandison. I-sponsor po yun ni Grandison, yung buong review program niya. Okay? Until makapag-take kayo ng exam. In-depth monitoring. So for a Grandison Scholar, we always monitor their review performance. Okay? So that's the significance, okay, of our exams. Okay, they have to pass these exams. Okay, hindi lang sila nagtitake dahil gusto lang nila makomplete, pero kailangan nila, ititake nila para maipasa. Okay, kasi doon po namin na monitor sa exams, sa scores nila, if nagpo-progress ba yung student na to or hindi. Okay, kasi doon din namin madedetermine yung readiness nila for the exam. Okay, for the NPTE. Ensures the confidence of the PT to pass the MPT in one take only. So we're not just educators here at GH Premier. We're also motivators, okay? Kasi hindi lang enough na syempre na binibigay lang namin kung ano or dinidiscuss lang namin concepts na to. Sometimes the students would ask us na paano ba namin ipapasa to at hindi ko maintindihan tong concept na to, na wawala siya ng confidence sa kanyang sarili na maipasa yung MPTE, okay? So we try to or we boost their confidence po. Okay? Na kaya nilang maipasa yung exam. Okay? Kasi I know how scared talaga yung iba sa pag-take ng exam nito. Okay? Pero sabi ko nga, kayang-kaya po naman ang exam as long as you prepared enough for it. Okay? Assess the readiness for NPT. So yun nga po yung sinabi ko kanina, okay? So we assess the readiness of the PT po to take the NPT based on those exams. Okay? So kailangan talaga mag-take sila ng exams kasi hindi rin po kasi pagdating ng mismong exam, okay? Baka doon pa lang sila, doon ma-apply na nila yung concepts, okay? So kailangan talaga ma-apply yung natutunan nila into those exams. Okay, into those questions po. So, GH Premier's NPTE review program, we have a 99% na passing rate po. We have one-on-one call with the department head, individualized assessment and feedback. So usually, ako po, tatawagan ko po yung ating Grandison Scholar. So, kakamustahin ko siya. Kasi syempre, meron tayong mga PTs, of course, that will not do well pag group. Okay? Pero pag individual yung approach mo, mas nagiging open sila. Kaya nilang sabihin kung pwede na express kung saan sila nahihirapan. Okay? Kasi paminsan nahihiya yung mga students natin. So, this one-on-one call will give me an idea paano ba yung approach ng student na to when it comes to reviews. Okay? Paano ba yung atake niya sa mga questions na to? Saan pa ba siya mahina? Ano yung kailangan niyang i-strengthen? So, yun po yung fino-focus ko. Okay? Yun po yung fino-focus namin sa ating mga students. Alright? And then, we can help them, okay? To formulate a study plan. Kasi paminsan talaga, may isang study plan na hindi effective dito sa student na to. Okay? So, paminsan yung student ang makaka-determine ng kanyang study plan. Okay? Kung ano yung mag-work out sa kanya. So, we have multiple mock tests for practice before the exam. So, bago namin sila, of course, ipadala sa battle or sa gera, diba? Bago ipadala sa exam, alright? Kailangan natin mag-conduct ng multiple na simulation test po, okay? So, somehow, this mock test or simulation exams po will fully prepare them pagdating nila sa actual na exam na. Okay? So, we provide them multiple na mock exams po. Scheduled one-on-one coaching with the NPTE lecturer. So before, ayun nga po, okay, bago sila ipadala sa exam, our lecturers at GH Premier, okay, they will have one-on-one coaching with them. So more individualized itong approach na to. So dito ma-assess talaga ng lecturer kung saan bang part siya nahihirapan, ano ba yung weak na topics niya, saan ba siya nalilito, okay. So usually, yan yung makakatulong talaga sa ating Grandison Scholars po na nahihirapan mag-catch up sa ibang topics po during our review. So, meron po kaming ganito for our Grandison Scholars po. Send off call with the intensive meeting, with intensive team rather, and Grandison Taker. So, ito kagagawa lang po namin kanina. So, bago po sila, okay, mag-fly, okay, papuntang Guam or Hawaii for their exams, okay? So, nagko-conduct po kami ng send-off call meetings po, okay? Para bigyan namin sila ng tips and strategies during the exam, ano yung do's and don'ts during exams, okay? And then our good luck and send-off messages din sa kanila para mag-boost yung confidence nila in facing the NPTE. Alright, so I think, Sir Daryl, that would be the last slide po for my presentation.
So yeah, thank you so much, Sir Vincent, no, for the insightful presentation about GH Premier Review Center.
Thank you so much po.
Again, thank you so much, sir, for having you here sa aming live. Thank you so much.
Thank
And
you
now
po.
to know more about Grandison Therapy offer, let's all welcome again Miss Sarah Unayan. Hello, Ma'am Sarah.
Ayan, hi everyone. Okay, wait lang.
Again, Miss Sarah Unayan is the recruitment supervisor of Grandison Therapy. So I believe for those aspiring PTs natin, ma'am, no, gustong-gusto nang malaman ng mga Grandison Therapy, malaman yung Grandison Therapy offer. So yeah, go ahead, Miss Sarah.
Okay, ayan. So I will be sharing my screen. Let me know if it's visible na on your end, Sir Daryl, ha?
Got it, ma'am.
Okay, one moment. Okay, nakikita na yung slide ko, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Visible na.
Okay, ayan. So, again, this is Sarah Onayan, one of the recruitment team, no, here at Grandison. So, let me know ha if nawawala yung audio ko just in case. And then, ayan. So, I will be discussing about the brief discussion of Grandison program. Okay? Ayan. So, very quick lang, no, para at least hindi ko rin masyadong maubos yung oras ng mga PTs natin, lalo na yung mga pauwi na, no. Ayan, but anyways, no, you can actually book an online career orientation with us, the full career orientation with us, no, fill out lang po kayo sa ating Google form na I believe na isend naman po dito sa ating comment section. Okay? So let's now find out why now is the best time to start your journey. Okay, so together, let's find the answer in choosing the grandest career path. So I will be sharing a video of a life-changing career in the United States. So isa sa makikita nyo dito sa video na to, no, is yung first physical therapist na na-deploy natin. No? Nag-start siya from physical therapist and now, isa na po siyang rehab director sa isa sa mga partnered facilities natin sa United States. Let's watch this.
Grandison really changed my life. From recruitment to the end of their contract, we give them everything. It's been the greatest job that I've had. I started out with a work visa under Grandison, and then they sponsored my residency, and then I became an American citizen, and then I moved up from a staff physical therapist to running a rehab department. Grandison was the one who opened all those doors for me.
We recently brought over a physical therapist that I asked her, how much are you making right now? I ran the numbers. I said, I have some interesting news for you. You'll be making in 7 hours what you made in 30 days in the Philippines.
This is probably the biggest change that will occur in your life. Grandison is here to hold your hand, and there is always someone to reach out to.
We're not dealing with a product. We're not dealing with a computer program. We're dealing with people and people's lives. And every step of the way, we try to take that into account.
I don't think you'll find in any other company or any other place people who care as much as our team does for the PTs and the RNs.
Okay. Ayan. So if you also have that dream, we have the team that will make sure that you can and you will achieve your hashtag Grand USA Journey. So I would like to introduce our US team. Ayan. So we have here Ms. Caitlin Tarado, our staffing coordinator, Sir Avi Lang, our Chief Executive Office, and then we have here Sir Shmuel Carmen, the Director of Operations, and Ms. Alti Silver, the staffing coordinator. So syempre kung may US team tayo, meron din po tayong Philippine team. Ayan. So meet our recruitment and deployment team na nag-aasikaso po at nag-a-assist din po sa inyo, no, all throughout your process. Ayan. So achieve your goals and more with Grandison para sa mga PTs na hindi pa masyadong kilala si Grandison, no. Ayan. So we are a world-class US agency for physical therapists, occupational therapists, and registered nurse. Okay? We're also a first in the healthcare staffing industry offering sick replacement. And so, syempre, hindi po mabubuo si Grandison without our grant partners. So, this is our grant partners. We have the AAIHR, which stands for American Association of International Healthcare Recruitment. So, in terms of promoting legal, ethical, and professional practices for international healthcare recruitment, no, si AAIHR po ang kasama natin dyan. So, para siyang POEA here in the Philippines. Okay? So, just in case magkaroon ng problem with the employer and the facility that you're working with, no, kapartner po natin si AAIHR. Ang kagandahan po, no, is yung may-ari po mismo ng Grandison. No? The president and the owner of Grandison is also part of the AAIHR. Okay? That's why lahat po ng PTs, OTs, and registered nurse na dinedeploy at nire-recruit po natin, no, is dumaan sa due and legal process po. Okay, and then the next one, we have the corporate immigration partners. So ito yung kapartner natin in terms of your immigrant visa. And then the next one, we have the Caves Treasure Manpower and Construction Corporation. Since Grandison is originally located in the United States and we are just expanding our recruitment here in the Philippines, in order for us to recruit, no, to legally recruit and deploy the physical therapists bound to US, no, dapat po meron tayong ka-tie up na local recruitment firm here in the Philippines na accredited ng POEA. Okay? That's why we are in partnership with Caves Treasure Manpower and Construction Corporation na licensed agency po over 20 years. Okay, and then the last one, of course, we have here the GH Premier Review Center. So this is one of our trusted review center in terms of acing your NPTE and your TOEFL as well. Okay? So the reason behind bakit ang dami rin nating nakakapasa ng mga NPTE passers, it's because also hindi lang dahil syempre magagaling ang mga scholars natin, ang mga students natin, magagaling, masisipag, matitiyaga. Okay? But of course, meron din kasi tayo mga lecturers na magagaling, masisipag, at matitiyaga din pong nagtuturo sa mga scholars natin, just to help them to achieve their American dream. Okay. Ayan. So I would like to introduce Sir David Geisman, the president and the owner of Grandison USA. He is a successful entrepreneur and an AAIHR member. So kung kilala po si Grandison dito, dahil kalat na rin siya sa Facebook, ayan. So mas kilala po siya pagdating natin sa United States. Kasi since 1998 po, nagbibigay na tayo ng mga services sa ating healthcare organizations sa US. Ayan. So ilang taon na po ba si Grandison here in the Philippines, Miss Sarah? Okay. We have actually 14 years of experience going 15 years this year. Ayan. So samahan nyo kami na i-celebrate ang aming ika-15th year this year. So mamimit po ninyo itong ating mga US team. Ayan. So, ayan po, only Grandison was able to continuously deploy our physical therapists going to the United States even in times of retrogression at kahit pandemic pa po yan. Okay? Sa 14 years po na experience ni Grandison, we already have 358 successfully deployed in the United States. Okay. So ano ba yung secure placement na palagi nilang sinasabi na okay dyan kay Grandison, kasi you have the secure placement, okay? Maybe because of our Grandison care facilities, okay? So secure placement in a term na meron po kayong pagde-deployan all throughout your contract, okay? Kasi marami po tayong partnered facilities sa United States. We have 100 partnered facilities po, and one of them, of course, we have here the West Hampton, the Grand Rehabilitation and Nursing, and the Center Self-Care, and the other top and trusted facilities ni Grandison. Ayan. So what makes us so confident? Bakit ba ang daming gustong maging Grandison Scholar? Maybe because of our secure placement. Okay? Number one kasi, we do have the job security. Okay? So dito pa lang po sa Philippines, once you decided to join Grandison, okay, meron na po agad nakaabang na trabaho sa inyo pag nasa US na kayo. All you need to do is to study hard, Yun lang yung kailangan niyo ipasa yung mga examination. And then once na maipasa niyo na yun, pagpunta niyo sa US, may trabaho na agad kayo. Okay? So hindi niyo kailangan magantay ng 3 months, 6 months, bago kayo magkaroon ng facility. Kasi right away, pagdating nyo doon, may facility na nag-iintay sa inyo. Aside from that, we don't have any issues of abandonment, even in times of retrogression, at kahit pandemic pa po yan. Okay? Number 2, employer and visa sponsor. So, hindi mo na kailangan mamroblema. Legit ba tong employer na ina-applyan ko? Paano ko ba ipaprocess yung visa ko? And how much will be the cost? Okay? So, hindi mo na yun poproblemahin kasi everything po will be sponsored, and will be assisted and guided by Grandison. So, kami po ang magtutulong, kami po ang sasagot ng visa ninyo, at kami rin po mismo ang inyong magiging employer. Okay? Number 3, available PWD. It's very important po na yung company na papasukan natin is may ready PWD. Okay? So ano ba yung PWD? It is a prevailing wage determination. Okay? Kagandahan po dito kay Grandison, we we are actually following the dictated, mandated, prevailing wage determination on which state ka maa-assign. Hindi kasi porket US, ibig sabihin, pare-parehas na kayo na sasahurin. Hindi po siya ganon. Depende sa state, kung magkano po yung sasahurin ninyo. Okay? Para siyang katulad dito sa Pilipinas, classic example here in the Philippines, pag nasa NCR tayo, iba ang minimum wage natin compared to our PTs who's working outside Metro Manila, sa Region 4, Region 5, sila yung tinatawag na provincial rate. So same things goes, pagpunta natin ng US, iba din po ang ating prevailing wage. Okay? And then number 4, employer's interview. Okay, so isa sa mga medyo nagiging scared din, yung mga PTs natin because of the employer's interview, na parang, hala, may gap experience ako or hindi ako nakapagtrabaho sa hospital at all or wala talaga akong naging experience as a physical therapist. Okay? So dito kay Grandison, as long as you pass the local boards, and you are willing to take the NPTE and you have the American dream, tatanggapin ka po namin. Okay, so hindi po natin dinidiscriminate ang mga PTs natin na hindi nagkaroon ng chance na makapagtrabaho as a PT, kasi yung iba nag-virtual assistant, yung iba naman nag-BPO, that's totally fine. Okay? Nag-a-accept po kami even with no experience. Okay? Kasi since ang dami na nating na-deploy sa US, okay? We have 358 successfully deployed. That's why many of our clients trusted Grandison already to do the interview on their behalf. Okay, kaya hindi nyo na kailangan sumalang ng nakakakabang employer's interview. Okay? Ayan.
Grandison can guarantee that a PT work is already waiting for.
Ayan. So ano ba yung secured job na nag-aantay sa inyo? Let's hear it from our deployed PTs, na pagdating nyo doon, we guarantee na meron kaagad kayong trabaho. Let's watch this.
And guarantee that a PT work is already waiting for you once you arrive in the US. And very crucial and important yon as someone who is coming to the US as an immigrant from scratch. Kasi like from scratch, di ba? Nagpunta ka dyan, wala kang background.
Ayan, wait lang. Nag-load. Okay. Maganda pa naman tong sinabi ni Miss Jody. Wait lang, ha?
Grandison can go to the US as an immigrant from scratch. Kasi like from scratch, di ba? Nagpunta ka dyan, wala kang back.
Okay, ayan. I think medyo nagka-problem lang dito sa ating video, But, ang sabi dito ni Miss Jody Masigla, is pagdating nyo sa US, there is a job that is waiting for you. So, guaranteed, na makakasahod ka po kaagad and you will be earning dollars right away. Ayan. So, hindi na siya makakadagdag kagad sa stress mo na saan mo kukuhain yung first month, yung pambayad mo ng rentals kasi on your first month stay pa lang po, sumasahod na po kayo. Okay? Ayan.
Grandison can guarantee that a PT work is already waiting for you once.
Ayan. So let's now proceed on the grand employment benefits. Okay, so this will be the benefits na ma-enjoy po ng ating mga physical therapists once you decided to join Grandison. Okay, number 1, we have the recruitment to arrival in the United States. So airport pick-up, once you landed in the US, may susundo po sa inyo para ihatid kayo sa ating Grandison office. Okay, and then we have a guaranteed minimum of 35 working hours per week. Okay. So 35 hours lang po ang kailangan natin for the whole week and the rest of the remaining days will be your rest day. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to comment po yung inyong mga question and then sasagutin ka din later. Okay? And then we also have the highest paid time of benefit compared to other agency and the competitive salary and an overtime pay of 150% per hour. Okay? The reason why Grandison is accepting physical therapists even with no experience, no, it's because we do have the full client and facility training and orientation for you to be fully equipped. Okay? We also have the car and loan assistance since necessity po ang sasakyan, no? Hindi siya katulad dito sa Philippines na meron tayong public transportation. Okay? Marami tayong public transportation. Doon, very limited lang po. Okay? That's why we highly suggest and we highly encourage our PTs na ngayon pa lang po, no, mag-aral ng mag-drive, no, para at least once you go in the United States na, you can drive your own car. Okay? And then we also have the retirement plan. So this one is optional po, no? Kasi pagka once na mag-avail po kayo ng retirement plan, syempre meron siyang cost on your end. Okay, may ide-deduct po. That's why optional siya. Okay? And then we have the insurance benefit including the health and malpractice insurance. So this is exclusive for our PTs only. So hindi po kasali dito ang inyong mga dependents like yung spouse and yung inyong unmarried children below 21-year-old. Okay? So just make sure po, no, na yung dependents natin ay kasal po kayo. Okay? Ayan. So para masama natin siya as your dependent. Pero sa insurance po ninyo, no, if you want, no, na i-upgrade siya, no, pwede naman po. Okay? Pero syempre, upon upgrading your insurance benefit, meron din po siyang additional cost on your end. Okay? So we will still continue our support once you landed in the US in terms of assisting you in your green card and SSN number processing, car and credit score assistance, 1-month accommodation and allowance, visa filing assistance for your dependents. Okay, so let's now proceed on our program. Okay, so you will be in the United States in as early as 15 to 18 months. So this one is the acceleration program. Okay, so this will be the step-by-step process. Okay, so for the first step, we have the bootcamp for 2 weeks. So this is an online course refresher, warm up before you proceed on the proper NPTE review para lang at least hindi kayo kaagad mabigla. Okay. So after ng bootcamp ng 2 weeks, proceed tayo sa ating proper NPTE review and exam. Habang nagre-review po kayo, no, umaandar na din po ang inyong credentialing. Okay, so for the first step, we have 6 months po to complete this one. But again, no, yung timeline natin, minsan nakadepende din po yan sa mga PTs natin kung ano ba yung progress nila during the review and kung gaano din po ba sila ka-compliant pagdating sa submission ng requirements. Okay, and then second step is the petition filing. Ayan. So petition filing, kasabay niyan, no, pinaprocess na din po natin yung inyong TOEFL review and exam. So for the second step, we have 3 months po para dito. And then the third step will be the visa screen. And then the last step will be the deployment stage, including the NVC approval, your embassy interview, and your departure to US for 3 months. Okay, so this will be the NPTE review and exam sponsorship inclusion. So we have the comprehensive and intensive classes for you, tourist visa, flight and hotel accommodation for your examination. We also have the morning and evening class via Zoom. So this is actually designed, no, for our working PTs para at least hindi po ma-compromise, no, yung trabaho natin. Naglagay po tayo ng morning and evening class po para sa inyo. Okay, we also have the one-on-one coaching session, and then we're only the review center, no, offering computer-based simulation. So you can take your NPTE, it's either in Hawaii, Guam, or Alaska, all sponsored by Grandison. So this is some of the snapshot ng mga PTs natin, no, during the time na nag-take sila ng exam nila sa US. So this is some of our PTs, no, na kinuhaan natin ng interview why they choose Grandison as their partner in fulfilling their American dream. Let's watch this.
Grandison kasi yung first na nag-present sa akin. Actually sa amin marami kami nun eh.
Grandison was the only one who made sure that I understand the entire process of my US journey.
Grandison at that time when I chose had the best deal at the best opportunity open to me since they had options to cover for the finances.
And I believe that Grandison would also be my stepping stone in achieving my American dream.
Among all the agencies, Grandison is the one that offers assistance and financing for the whole process of that dream. So This is the reason or the main reason why I choose Grandison.
My name is Melines Pelayo.
I am Mazalconi Iparalon. I'm Rona Christine Bayaca.
I'm Paolo.
I am Paula Tavares.
Hi, I'm Lance.
Physical therapist.
This is Grandison.
Okay, ayan. So now, join us on our road to 400 PT. So ito po yung mga na-deploy na natin sa US.
Here at Grandison, career growth is our top priority.
We care about every single physical therapist. We care about every nurse. We are always looking out for their best interests.
We're approaching 400 people to be sent to the US.
I am physical therapist number 1. I was the first that was deployed from the Philippines. They gave me all the opportunities that I have now. They opened all the doors, and I moved up from a physical therapist, I moved up as a clinical director. And then 6 months ago, I got the rehab director position in one of the center's buildings as well.
Grandison has come a long way since our first PT and continues to evolve to meet the needs of both our clients and our physical therapists.
I feel humbled and at the same time proud to be part of this family.
Making their dreams possible is what makes us fulfilled.
It's been extra special because I've seen also how the PTs and how our people were able to adapt to the changes given by the US government.
And I am proud that we have overcome those with the dedication of our PTs and our staffs.
Our NPT review program with our exclusive partner GHP here has been phenomenal. With an almost 100% pass rate, it has helped us achieve where we are today.
So I am very thankful also to our dear PTs because of them who trusted us, Grandison, to achieve their American dreams.
Let's be ready with Grandison.
Okay. Ayan. So, we're about to end na. This will be my last 2 slide. So, we have a Refer a Friend program. So, to those PTs who's watching right now, no, you can refer your friend. Ayan, we have a Refer a Friend program. Wherein, once na mag-refer ka po, no, you will be earning 800 USD for each successful referral. If dalawa pataas naman po ang i-refer ninyo, no, you will be earning 1,200 USD for every successful referral. Okay? So as of now, no, we are also giving a sign-on bonus incentive, no, for those PTs, no, na makaka-join po kay Grandison, no. So right after the orientation, no, and then nag-join kayo 3 days after the orientation, you will be receiving 20,000 sign-on bonus. Okay? And then if hindi naman, no, 10,000 sign-on bonus will apply po. Okay, so again, you can book your one-on-one career coaching po, no, or career orientation with us. Ayan, so just fill out the Google form po. Okay, for our NPTE passers, no, na nahihirapan ngayon, no, pag-apply, so pwede po kayong pwede po kayong mag-apply din kay Grandison, no? We are giving a 30,000 sign-on bonus po for those PTs na nakapasa na ng kanilang NPTE. Okay, so the question and answer portion is now open. Sir Daryl?
So yan, buti na lang nabanggit mo yung question and answer portion natin today. So yeah, thank you so much, Miss Sara, for the very informative information about Grandison therapy. So I have 10 questions dito, Ma'am Sara.
Dami? Okay, go.
So the first question is, why is today is the best time to join here at Grandison and be a Grandison scholar?
Okay. So siguro naman, hindi na tayo bumabata, no? And syempre, yung mga requirements din natin, no? So, isipin natin, no, kung hindi pa natin sisimulan ngayon, baka sa mga susunod na panahon, no, mas tumaas na yung mga requirements or yung mga qualification na kakailanganin natin. So, right now, we are accepting even bachelor's degree. Sa susunod, hindi natin alam, baka mas kailanganin na ng higher degree. So, habang kaya pa, no, na makapasok tayo kahit bachelor's degree pa lang, i-take advantage po natin tong opportunity.
Alright. So, very well said, Ma'am Sara, no? Alright. The next question is, siguro sa mga susunod na araw na daw nila, i-compile yung 9 questions na yun, Ma'am
Okay.
Sara. So, yeah, thank you, Ma'am Sara, no? For joining us today and for sharing Grandison Therapy offers sa ating mga aspiring PTs na who would like to work and live in the United States. Kaya naman sa ating mga aspiring PTs, again, Ma'am Sara, thank you. Okay, for having you here. Kaya naman sa ating mga aspiring PTs na would like to work and live in the United States, this is your sign to to step forward your American dream. So sign up today and you will get 10,000 pesos sign-on bonus, but of course, terms and condition apply. So I have a biggest announcement para sa ating mga ka-PTs out there. So to all our aspiring PTs, we are having a Grand Care Caravan day 1 at Discovery Suite or Ortigas Center, Pasig City. On day 2 at Bayfront Hotel North Reclamation, Cebu City. Kaya naman to all our aspiring PTs, join us and see you there. Alright, this line to all our viewers here at Zoom and Facebook. If you're inspired to work and live in the United States, this is the right time para tuparin ang hashtag American Dream mo. And that's all for our discussion this evening. A huge thank you to Sir Vincent, Miss Sara, and of course our live viewers for joining us today. It has been a truly insightful, encouraging conversation. To our viewers, for updates and upcoming live events, school tours, and our Grand US Career Orientation, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. On Facebook and Instagram, we're Grandison Therapy, and on YouTube, it's Grandison TV. Once again, my name is Daryl, Marketing Associate at Grandison Espresso Lounge host at nagsasabing, if you want to fulfill your dream of working and living in the United States, Grandison is here to support you. Goodbye, everyone, and see you at our next Grandison Espresso Lounge.